G'day, I'm Ian. Today I'm going to be taking a look at my new phone holder from Verve Viper. On a ride recently I actually knocked my phone out of its holder and the bike's follow me ran it over and destroyed the phone, so definitely time for an upgrade. So let's take a closer look. I chose the Handlebar Mount Pro with a vibration dampener and a universal adapter. Now they do make cases to suit most iPhones, but I have a Samsung Galaxy A15, so I chose the universal adapter. Now there are a lot of different mounts available. I went with the Handlebar Mount Pro. Whoops, back here you. So we have lots of different sleeves to suit different sized bars. And that is the ball mounts there. There's the double ball joint with an Allen key. So this is the actual phone mount itself. And now the vibration dampener. Oh, there we go. More Allen keys. So very important to have a vibration dampener on modern phones. The constant vibrations will ruin your camera. So first up we'll attach the universal adapter. Place that right in the center. And it's a nice slim fit, doesn't stick out too much. So let's get this assembled. We take the vibration dampener, we screw it to the mount. Next we take the ball and mount it. It's actually got a little square in there, so it'll sit in there nicely. Not that one, try that one. Righto, nice and tight. So this is your double socket. Tighten it to clamp, loosen it to move. Now that doesn't actually come apart enough to fit over the ball, and that is a security measure, so people can't easily steal the mounts off your bike. So I've unwound that fully. You need to actually use the Allen key to open it up more. So it does fit over the ball. That's your handlebar mount. We fit that in. We wind that back up. Everything's loose. So now when we tighten this up, it all becomes firm. But you can't actually unscrew it enough for it to come out, so that's quite a good idea. So when you pull up somewhere, you take your phone with you, you don't have to worry about someone stealing your mount. Now there is a little screw somewhere, just there. So we tighten the grub screw. Very good. So let's get this mounted up to the handlebars. I've got 7/8 inch bars, so I've taken the 22mm rubber sleeve. I'm going to mount it up here next to the grips, so we'll slide the sleeve on. Now the clamp, I really like the way the clamp opens all the way up, so you don't have to struggle to get it around. Just got to slip it between the bars and the cables. I think we'll go about there, I reckon. Now for the easy part, fitting the phone. Done. Move it. Easy as that. Right, time to test out this holder. I ended up mounting it down lower on the bar so I could keep it tucked in nice and neat. So we've got a nice nasty hill here, good chance to test it out. Mount her up. I will put that charger on. Yeah, nice. I'll stop here for a quick photo. Cool, let's go. Yeah, really happy with how the new phone holder's gone today. As you can see, I've got a very stripped down adventure bike, so I wanted to keep it nice low profile, so I managed to mount it down here low. It's just on the handlebars there. That's my double socket there, and that is the phone holder. Put it on, easy as. Let me come around this side. Yeah, that's the lever there to take it off. Push the lever up, lift off, easy. So what happens, it's magnetic. When you put the phone down, it hits the button, throws these out, which grips on under this ring. When you pull the lever, pushes it back in, resets it. And like that, you can spin it around, it will lock in there. You can just pull that lever a bit, turn it again. Quite easy to turn. And if you want to move it, we've got the handle here, undo that, and you can move it around wherever you want. I just like it down there, nice and neat. So there'll be a link in the description below where to buy one. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.